Local news for Monday the 14th of October. Radiologists at Wairarapa Hospital are again striking from 7am this morning for 24 hours and for Wednesday 7am also for 24 hours. Wairarapa District Health Board has plans in place with a small amount of staff, however, on hand. Matamura's status as a dark sky destination will be given a major boost when the highly anticipated Starfield Observatory Complex and Astronomy Centre opens later this month. Destination Wairarapa manager David Hancock says Starfield is a significant addition to the tourism landscape in Wairarapa. Carterton and South Wairarapa have new mayors. Preliminary results released Saturday show Greg Lang will be mayor of Carterton and Alex Bain for South Wairarapa. Lynn Patterson was re-elected to Masterton, while Adrian Staples likewise to the Greater Wellington Regional Council. In sport, the Ferries Wairarapa Bush will head to Oamaru this weekend for a Meads Cup semi-final after their 31-10 demolishing of Mid-Canterbury last weekend. And the other semi sees Thames Valley host Waganui. Good morning for local news and sport. I'm Brent Gare.